In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly import an Excel file into Notion. If you've got data living in spreadsheets and want to bring it into your Notion workspace for easier tracking and collaboration, this walkthrough will get you set up in just a few minutes. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want your data to live. This could be an existing dashboard, a project page, or a dedicated database page. Choosing the right destination now will save you time reorganizing later. Once you're on the correct page, look to the top right corner and click the three dots. From that menu, select Import. This brings up Notion's import options. In the Import menu, choose CSV. Notion imports spreadsheet data from CSV files, so Excel files need to be saved in that format first. If your file is still in .xlsx, open it in Excel, use Save As, and pick CSV. Ideally, CSV UTF-8 if available for the best character support. Keep in mind that formulas won't carry over. The CSV will bring in the final values. It also helps to make sure the first row of your spreadsheet contains clear column headers, since Notion will use that row as your property names. Next, locate and select your CSV file from your computer. Notion will upload it and automatically create a new table on your chosen page. You'll see your rows and columns appear, with each column header from the CSV becoming a property in Notion. Take a moment to review what came in. Notion often treats imported columns as text by default, so this is a good time to refine your data. Click on each column header and adjust the property type as needed. For dates, switch the property to date so you can use date filters and timelines. For numbers, change the property to number for proper calculations. If you have categories, consider turning those columns into select or multi-select to make filtering and grouping easier. Check long notes or descriptions and set those columns to text to ensure everything is readable. If you spot any empty columns or extra rows, you can quickly delete or clean them up. Finally, rename the table to something descriptive, reorder your columns to match your workflow, and you're ready to build views, filters, and sorts on top of your newly imported data. And that's how you import an Excel file into Notion. Fast, simple, and ready to use.